Hey, what's up everyone? Stephanie here, about to do a Python coding challenge that was posted in the Python Facebook group by one of our moderators. Don't know if he wants me sharing his name or not. Let me know. Great group. Maybe I'll link to it in the comments. If you came to this video, you're probably from the group already and you already know. But if not, yeah, I'll link it in the comments anyways. And you can take part in some cool Python discussion and challenges and things that get posted there. But anyways, this one is clean string. You get some ugly looking data and you want to output it as a list of 3-digit numbers. So we're going to have some string parsing in here. We're going to get rid of anything that's not numeric, and we're going to check if our numbers are 3 digits, and then we're going to input them into an output list, and then we're going to print the output list. I think that's it. It's a pretty straightforward one here. Should be able to do this in a couple minutes, assuming everything goes right. So we're just going to get our input data here. We're going to copy it from his post, and we'll put it here in our nice little Python IDE visual code. And then a little simple string parsing for character in data if. And then we're going to use the handy little is alpha, is al num. No, actually we want is num, is numeric. And since that returns a Boolean, we can just do, this method call it as the if condition itself. So if it's numeric, we'll have a temp string here, and this will be empty. And then we'll have our output list, which we'll initialize as an empty list. If character is numeric, temp string, we will concatenate the character onto our temp string. And if length of temp string equals 3, output.append, and then we want to cast this to an int, because if we're appending characters into a temp string, it's a string, which isn't what we want. We want integers. So we just do this. And then we do print output.sorted. Pretty sure this works. Output.sorted, and then we just print output because it sorts in place. We could have also done print output.sorted too. I'm pretty sure that's the same thing. And this if character is alphanumeric, we'll scrub out this Z, scrub out this question mark, this B, this little curly tilde thingamabobber here, to get rid of all this stuff. And that should work, for anything, just to get the numbers. If the number, appended to our temp string, if the number is 3 digits here. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. We append it into our output list. We cast it as an integer. And then we sort it, and then we print it. Man, thought there was more to it than that. And then we just run it with Python, since Python is installed in this Windows environment. And then the name of our file, list object has no attribute.sorted. Okay, because I always mix up the built-in sorted and the .sort method. That makes sense. And just like that, 342. And the reason is because we didn't reset our temp string. So, yep, I should have recognized that as I was writing it, but I didn't. So, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 333, 342, 400. And I think if we look at our image of what the problem is, which is right here, 1, 2, 3, 333, 342, 400, matches exactly. There's also this other little dirtier string, but since we're using the isNumeric method, I just know that will work already. Interesting that that's a bonus, but yeah. So that's it for this challenge. That was a fun one. You're gonna have to throw something a little harder at us. All right, see you guys. Bye.